Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for choosing to watch my video, and please consider subscribing. So this is a traditional Malawian dish that is in West Africa. So here is the process. We warm the water and then I used this yellow cornmeal. When the water is warm, before it boils, I mix with the yellow corn flour until it's like a porridge form. So and then I cover it and let it simmer for 5 minutes, and then add some more cornmeal flour, continue mixing it until it is well combined. So it shouldn't be very soft and it shouldn't be very harder, but it should be just like that. So after that, and then I dish it using the plastic dishing spoon, or you can use anything, and then here we go, that is almost done. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. So I ate the Nsima with the white sardines, some beans, and groundnuts vegetables. For the white sardines and groundnuts vegetables recipes, I'll post the recipe as soon as possible. So just turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any one of these recipes. Thank you so much for watching.